Alright, what's up, Blade Breakers? So I've been waiting to do this for a while. This is the Meteo Drago unboxing. And got this on eBay for $20, I believe. And I'm going to do this now. So let's get started. So we got this bronzish caramel colored left launcher, light launcher, and then a blue dragon ripple, alright, and the black tool. And what else is this? This up, we got instructions, looks like, and all the different parts. Cool. Alright. Okay guys, so I took off the box because the boxes on the Legends are really annoying to get off, so I just took it right off. Start with the faceplate. So here is the Drago faceplate. Then we have the energy ring, Meteo. It's got the rubber on there, which is for stealing spin. Really cool. Then we have the fusion wheel, which has got really cool colors on it. Then we got the spin track, more wavy than the previous 100 track. Alright, and finally we have the performance tip, which is like a star shape kind of. And yeah, really aggressive movement in battle. I'm gonna put it together and I'll be right back, guys. Alright. Here it is, Meteo Drago. Thanks for watching.